Hello guys, Andrew here with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 even if you're broke with no investment at all. Before we get any further into this video guys, for those of you who are new to my channel, on this channel we do regular videos on how to start and build a profitable affiliate marketing business. But in this video I'm going to be going a little bit different, and for those of you who will be interested in checking out and learning more about affiliate marketing, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every single time I drop a new video. With that said guys, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so this video will be a little bit off the hook like I've just told you. So these ways are not online. They're not specifically online, but there are ways to get you some extra cash in your pocket that you can use to build your business, that you can also use to do something extra with the money you've made. Okay, so you can use it for advertising, you can use it to invest in a course, anything you can do with an extra $100, $200, $300 in your pocket. Okay, so just because I've made the title of this video to be $100, it doesn't mean it's limited. You can take this up. Okay, you can scale this up to $1,000. Okay, it's the potential is endless. Okay, so with that said guys, the first method I'll be sharing with you is you're going to be flipping things. Okay, and how are you going to be flipping things, you may ask? Maybe you don't have any money, and that is what I'm targeting. I'm targeting to show you ways that you will start with no money down. Okay, so first things first, when you look around your home, you will find that you have some things you bought some time ago, okay, but you don't use them. Maybe it might be some shoes, okay, some clothes that you don't regularly use. So just be honest with yourself. Do you have something valuable? It's a backpack, anything. Okay, so take that backpack, take that shoe, whatever it is. Maybe it's an electronic in the house that you don't use. You can talk over it with your parents if you're still a kid. If it's your house, okay, you can look up if these electronics, you don't need them. Just go around, find someone who needs them and flip them. How do you find this person? Now here you can put in some bit of leveraging on social media. Okay, you can post it on sites like Craigslist, okay, Facebook Marketplace for those of you who have Facebook Marketplace enabled in their regions. Okay, you can also do it on eBay. You can post it up on eBay. You don't have to do it, but you can post if you want the things to go a little bit faster, so you want more traffic seeing your offers. Okay, so how will you go about it? So let's say you've taken your sneaker, your shoe. Okay, you just take it, Google search how people are posting these kinds of sneakers. Are they in demand? Are they being sold? Check them out. Okay, maybe you have a sneaker you think is gold, but people are not buying it. So what you do, you look it up, check out how people are pricing it and so on, the description. So you want to stand out a little bit. Okay, so what will make you stand out is making a professional what do you call it, a professional description. Okay, you want to capture the attention of whoever will be checking out your product. You don't want to be like just the other people. Okay, so once you've done that, you've listed it on Craigslist, on eBay, okay, Facebook Marketplace, any local site where people resell second-hand items in your country. Okay, I don't know about you. In my country, I used some of the sites we use for second-hand selling of stuff. I posted it on Facebook. These are methods I used myself. So for example, what I did is I found some a refrigerator of ours that wasn't working. We had not used it for some time. I went around, okay, I looked up shops that sell second hand electronics. I just went around. Okay, I walked. You have to hustle guys, so I just walked around each and every shop that sells second hand items. I go around them, talk to them, show them the pictures. If they're interested, okay, you talk to them and you discuss the price. So with that method, I made an extra $100, okay, just that way in a single weekend walking around. And it only took me a day to walk around. The second day we were just finalizing with one of the people who found the refrigerator useful. You can do that. You can also go around your neighbor's place. Maybe you don't have anything useful, you can sell yourself. Go around, connect with your neighbors, talk to your neighbors, ask them if they have anything valuable that they don't use but would like to get rid of, okay? You can also target people who are moving out. This is very crucial, guys. This is a way you can be able to scale this up really quickly, and this has a massive opportunity. With that said, why I mean this, why I'm saying it has a massive opportunity, especially for people who are moving out, is because when someone is moving out, most of the time they want to get rid of stuff, okay? Maybe the place they are moving into, they already have bought new things for the place, okay? Maybe they are moving far away, so they want to get rid of the stuff they have, and they'll buy new stuff when they get there, okay? So what you do, you go around, you have to act fast, you have to have that hustle mentality, okay? Connect with people, don't be afraid, okay? So once you've got them you have agreed with them, and you have agreed on how you'll be able to help them sell their stuff. So you just go ahead and repeat the process I've told you. List the items on the sites, on the second-hand selling sites, eBay, okay? On your sites, for your, maybe you don't have eBay at your in your country. Whatever the case, don't make excuses, guys. Just find the solution. Find the solution. That's how you're going to be making the money. So with this method, you won't, okay, it won't work. You won't make money if you just sit around your house and expect money to be rolling in. You have to work. You have to put in the effort. You have to go around, connect with people, connect with neighbors, okay? Let's say you've got some of these items and you've sold 2-3 of them. That's an extra $100 in your pocket, okay? It wouldn't have come your way if you wouldn't have gone up and connected with the people, okay? Reached out to potential buyers and so on. The second thing I'm going to be sharing with you is now working smart, okay? What do I mean by this? Instead of just going around and selling things to people, maybe you don't want to be all salesy, this is how you can do it. Now you go around, connect with people, okay? As you connect with people, maybe on Facebook, on your social media networks, okay, your neighbors and so on, you just be a little bit aggressive and a little bit smart. What do? So you try to figure out the pain points of these people. Maybe someone is complaining on how their shower isn't working properly. Maybe something they need done. They need their lawn mowed, something of that kind, okay? So maybe they are complaining about not having time to run some errand somewhere. They need things done, and okay, they need someone to clean their place. Just some of these things, just identify them in your conversations, okay? And what do? Now you offer the help. Someone tells you, I need my lawn mowed. Hey, you know what? I can do that for you for just this price, okay? Because you're my friend. I would have normally charged this amount of money, but you know what? I'll do a good job for you. And because you're my friend, I will absolutely do this at a discount only for you, okay? Maybe they want to run an errand somewhere and they don't have the time, they're busy at work. What do? You tell them, hey, you don't have to worry about that. Let me do that for you, and you'll pay me something small. That's how you do it. So that's offering your time, okay, in exchange for the money, okay? So maybe someone wants to deliver something, you want to take care of, you can also babysit, okay? Lots and lots of ways you can do this. The problem is, guys, you will have to work, okay? You will need to put in the effort. You don't just sit around and expect the money to come in. That's it, guys. That will be it for this video, guys. Just go out and take action. And if you do, comment down below how it went for you, because I know those people who will take action on this will crush it, okay? That will be it for this video, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace.